Yo! What's up mga kalatlong? Welcome sa first ever episode ng aking YouTube channel, ang Lances One Coordinates, kung saan sa bawat coordinates ay may kwento. For episode 1, syempre dapat pasabog agad. So today, we're heading to one of the most talked about new destinations in Davao City. Welcome to Open Space Cafe and Bar, located sa Barakatan Hills, Turil, Davao City. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Let's go!
How to get there?
Alright mga kalatlong, we've arrived at our coordinates for today, the Open Space Cafe and Bar, here in Barakatan Hills, Turil. Pero bago ang lahat, let me share kung papaano makakarating dito. This time, gamit natin ang bagong Davao City Coastal Road. Starting from downtown, we headed south towards our Castillo Street, then entered the Davao City Coastal Road. This scenic highway gives you a relaxing drive with an amazing view of the sea on one side and the city on the other side. Mas mabilib siya compared to the usual MacArthur Highway, lalo na kapag rush hour. Mga kalatlong, after enjoying the scenic Davao Coastal Road, we're now cruising the National Highway of Turil on our motorcycle. And this part of the trip sets the mood before we head uphill. Here along the National Highway, you'll notice how the atmosphere starts to change. From the busy streets of downtown Davao, we're now surrounded by more relaxed countryside vibe. You'll see the roadside renderias, fruit stands, and locals going about their day. And right here, we pass by the task force checkpoint area. Just to clarify, inspection are done only if you're entering Davao City. Since we're heading out towards Turil, we just rode through smoothly. After the stretch, we continued straight to crossing Barakatan. From there, the road climbs up into the hills with fresher air and greener views welcoming us as we get closer to our destination. From here, we're now entering the most peaceful part of this journey. The road starts to climb, the surroundings grow greener, and the weather becomes noticeably colder as we continue heading uphill. It feels like we'd left the city behind and entered a refreshing mountain scape. Tip lang mga kalatlong, kung nakamotor din kayo kagaya namin, mas better na magdala kayo ng jacket at gloves kasi mas malamig talaga habang paakyat. And of course, always wear your helmet and proper gear. Safety first bago adventure. And after about 39 minutes of riding, we finally reached our coordinates, the refreshing Open Space Cafe and Bar here in Barakatan Hills. Sulit ang biyahe, lalo na pag naka-motor ka. Mga kalatlong, andito na tayo sa ating coordinates for today, the Open Space Cafe and Bar, here in Baracatan Hills, Toril. Excited na ba kayo? Tara, pasok na tayo! This charming cafe and bar had its soft opening just last July 8, 2025. And since then, it's been one of the newest go-to spots here in Davao City. With its cozy design, open-air ambience, and refreshing mountain breeze, it's perfect escape from the busy city life. Mga kalatlong, andito na tayo sa loob ng Open Space Cafe and Bar. Grabe, ang ganda ng ambience. Pagkapasok pa lang namin, sinalubot na kami ng mga magagalang at quality staff, making us feel right at home. Ramdam mo agad yung hospitality na Davaoenos are known for. As you can see, bagong bukas lang ito noong July 8, 2025, punuan na agad ang cafe. Ang daming customers, enjoying their coffee, pastries, and cocktails. Hope na hit na itong lugar na ito. Ngayon naman, punta tayo sa kanilang accommodation sa area sa labas, kung saan mas randam ang presko ng malamig na hangin. Dito, surrounded ka ng mga puno at greenery habang sinamahan ng malamig na simoy ng hangin mula sa Baracatan Hills. Perfect spot ito para mag-relax, uminom ng kape, magkwentuhan habang ina-enjoy ang nature vibe. Para talagang nakatakas ka sa init at ingay ng syudad.
With rice na po, ma'am. This one po, with rice po.
Asa?
Lahat po ito, ma'am.
Habang ini-enjoy namin ang malamig na hangin at peaceful na paligid dito sa outdoor area, syempre hindi pwedeng mawala ang isa sa pinakaabangan sa bawat cafe visit, ang kanilang pagkain at inumin. So mga kalatlong, samahan nyo kami at tikman natin ang mga paborito at signature offerings dito sa Open Space Cafe and Bar. Let's see what are they cooking. From freshly baked brewed coffee to handcrafted cocktails and mouth-watering dishes, sigurado may perfect match para sa bawat cravings mo.
Hello mga guys. So for today's video, namin diri sa may open space diri sa may Baracatan, sitio Baracatan or barangay Baracatan na siya diri sa may Toril ng Davao City. So ang gibutan diri kape, kaon. So as you can see, happy apil pa na sa likod guys. So ongoing ang ilang construction. Ito silang pavilion o silang chapel. So ipakita na ko sa inyo si dagway diri ha. So pasensya kayo guys, medyo itom yun inyong vlogger karon guys. Muna yung pwede buhaton diri sa sulod. So nasilay cafe, nasilay shake, nasilay cafe. Kana ang lamig kayo nila nga putahe guys. Sarap guys, yummy. Pwede ka pa kape-kape. So ang ambience niya diri is parang nature vibes lang siya, medyo tugnaw. Kung nakaadto na mo kapatagan sa inanang iyang vibes diri tugnaw siya. So giga.
Dili kami akong gisuot na sa nana. Ay, pag-abo.
Di manggod?
After enjoying a hearty meal and a few cups of their signature coffee and drinks, masasabi ko mga kalatlong na sulit talaga ang experience namin dito sa Open Space Cafe and Bar. Dagdag pa dyan ang warm hospitality ng kanilang mga staff na talaga namang nagpapakumpleto ng aming mga unang pagbisita. Busog na busog at refresh kami at ngayon ready na kami mag-exit. Pero syempre, hindi ito ang uli. Babalik pa tayo dito, lalo na kapag fully open na ang iba pang amenities nila. So mga kalatlong, kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong spot to relax, unwind, and enjoy good food with great ambience, make sure to pin these coordinates on your map. The Open Space Cafe and Bar in Barakatan Hills, Toril.